was not a game for a little bit playing around. It was a game for a 100% fight, a battle, if you want, battle of will again. Who wants it more? And difficult circumstances, and all these circumstances obviously they are all a bit in favor for the team who has the ball not that often. The ball doesn't roll like normally. Everybody saw it. I can't speak obviously today about it because the few guys from Sky said they spoke about it as well. So then maybe it's allowed. It doesn't make football easy when the pitch is dry. So and today, of course, we didn't score. That happens. That can happen. How I said, difficult game. Opponent and the weather circumstances didn't help as well for a good football game in general. It was just a fight, and we were ready for that fight. So, and now we have a point more than before. All good. Oh, don't see that. Like I said, we drop points, so we take what we get, and tonight it's a point, and it's more than we had before the game, so that's fine. Is it that I'm now overly happy? Well, no, of course not. We wanted to win that game, but we knew before that it would be really difficult, and then it started snowing, and that made it not easier. Don't moan about that. Well, it's just a fact, and I don't want it. It's not an excuse, nothing. I said we could have played better tonight, 100%. But it's a situation which is not perfect, and losing 3 players out or changing, we lost 2 players, and Millie came back, but he didn't train yesterday. He came by himself to London because he was infectious, and so that's all not perfect. Of course, it's, for me, it explains parts of the game, but of course it's not. We don't look for these things.